Welcome to How to Draw a Symbol.
Today we're going to learn how to draw an excavator. Let's start off by drawing a long horizontal oval like so for the tracks. Then, add some circles inside for the wheels. On top of the tracks, draw a big boot shape for the cab. Then, draw two lines going at a 45-degree angle for the arm. At the end of those lines, draw a long line with a curve at the end like so. Followed by another line with a corner like this for the second part of the arm. And a short line at the bottom to close it all out. From that end, draw a small U shape like this, and then a big curved hook to start out the bucket. Draw a straight line going down from the U that turns and makes a point. To add more detail, draw another line on the bucket like so, and 3 circles here, here, and here. Draw some parallel lines here for a piston and color in the bottom half. Another one here at the top of the arm. And one more here that controls the bucket. On the cab, draw a rectangle with the bottom right corner cut out for the door, and a small rectangle for a window. We can also add a small tube coming out the back for the exhaust, and a small rectangle behind that for the machinery. Lastly, add some smoke coming out of the exhaust. And now you've got an excavator.